welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. I am Natasha, and just got this curl box here today, and I am unboxing it for you right now. Let's see what we got in here for the month of September 2020. I know I haven't done no videos on this channel in a while, and I have so much footage of videos that I need to do. It's just been really busy here in my life on the other side of this hair channel, but I'm gonna get it together real soon and get it out. So let's see what we got. Okay, I'm really feeling and liking this cover here. So it's like a throwback vibe. This is what it's like in the front. I think I've seen these products. I've received like a piece or two of this particular product line in another box before. I'm not sure which box it was, but it's the Afro Sheen collection Throw Out Blowout Spray. We have this, and then okay, this is the one I have right here, the Glow Up Shine Spray, which I have not used yet, but I remember seeing this. I have this in my collection. I think it probably came in a curl kit mix box. You know how they like to throw things, a whole bunch of things together in one box. And we have the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 leave-in. And that one, that'll be interesting. Let me see how the consistency is. It's liquidy. It smells really good. Okay. So we have 5 full-size products, and this is the Lush Fro Butter. That's the top. Let's open this up, see what it looks like. It's greasy like butter. Yeah, it's not like creamy butter. It's like an oil-based like butter, and it smells really good. That. And last but not least, the Crown Defining Curl Cream. Okay. Got that. And it is thick consistency. I'm gonna use a finger that I hadn't used already. Okay. Feels good, feels nice on the fingers. Got some nice smoothing action here. And it smells good as well. Not too loud, not overpowering or anything like that. Okay, interesting. So that is what is inside of the curl box for September 2020. It says the Great Meditate Skin Boosting Herbs Hydration Hottie. This is the glow up box. So yeah, I'm not gonna read all that, but if you want to pause, you can pause and read it if you like. And then the back. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, thumbs up, thumbs it up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of the many future videos that's coming to the channel. Don't be shy, say hi, and until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Well, no, you'll see me in the next one. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it protective, keep it you.